Hello guys, good day. I will be sharing to you a application or the two application that we need in order for us to work with our activity using our mobile phone. So the two app that I am talking about is this one. The first one is the a web server, so you can download it through Google Play Store. If you have Play Store, you can just um, search that application. So just say just search a web server, and this app, please download it for you to work with. You have the web server for Apache and for MySQL. So this is an equivalent application for XAMPP. So then the other one is the code editor, so you can also use this one. So this is an equivalent for the Visual Studio. So this one you can still also download it on to your Play Store. Just type here code editor, and here you can see that this is from Rhythm Software, so please install it. So since we have now the two application, I will teach you how can we use it. uh, so to do that, first is we need to open the a web server. So before we start, upon opening it for first time, there is what we call extracting the software. So let the software initialize first until you have now this screen, which is this bunch of information like the status, which is stop, address, port, document root, server, and everything. So the first thing that we need to configure is where we can put our documents. If you can see on the document root, I have here a default one, III. So for now, I will be creating a project folder in my phone, so that anytime that I will be coding, it will be saved it directly. So to do that, I will go to my file manager and go to files, and for the internal you do device storage. In here I will be creating a folder, like for example my name Alejo, activities. So that is the folder. Okay, so wrong spelling. So sorry for our we have a lot of dogs here, so too noisy, but I hope you can be focused and follow what I am doing. So I have now this one. I will never name it because I have activities. So I have now a folder that we have a 0 items. So that means we have now a folder that we need to set on our Apache, that on our server, that this is where we want to uh, be executed, or it's different from the computer, because in the computer you need to must save it to the htdocs under the sound folder. That is the only way you can put it in here. You can put it anywhere, as long as you have to select here on the web server app. You must select on the document root, so anywhere you want it to be saved, as long as you have to select it. So for example, I am an external, click OK, and I will be searching my folder that was created a while ago, Alejo activities. So then I'll select and select. So right now, so make sure that the status is still stopped. So before we start the Apache server, we must select now the document root. So it's automatically when we start it, when you run it, it will automatically look for this activities folder. So that's how this will work in mobile application. So let us start. So let's starting the service. Let's start. Okay. Yeah, okay. And the problem with this is if you're connected to Wi-Fi, it's more having a we call it. By the way, it's now the web server is now running. So going back, there is no many advertisement um if you are using the um if you're connected to the internet. So if you are internet connected, so your IP address must be um followed by the IP address of the router. Especially in my case, I am connected to a Globe router, so that's why we have the HTTP 192.168.254, and my IP address is 119, and I have here the port which is the 8080. So in order for us to run it, your under your activity, just tap the address. You just tap it, and it will just pop up a browser. Okay, so it will open a Chrome or any browser you have in your in your computer or in your mobile. Then it will be seeing all the activities you have created here. So once we have now that it is now running, so we need to test it, um, how we can do that. So we can go to the code editor. So in the code editor, we need to open the folder that we have created on our external storage in our phone. So we can click that, and here, sorry, here on this top right, and where's the open? Sorry, here in the top there is a folder icon. You tap it, and then you can say open, and we have to select the internal storage, and then I'll be selecting the Alio activities. Okay, so under that we can create our new activity. So in this case, I will be creating um, mobile con 1. That is why because there is a time where if you're on your home, you don't have a computer, then maybe you can use your phone. And if you're going to go to the campus and you may use the computer laboratories, you may also continue your work by just copy and pasting and paste it or the docs. So in this one, the difference because um, it depends on the it depends on here because on our server it depends on what is our address. So the IP address of our cell phone, it depends also where we are connected. For assuming that I am not connected to a Wi-Fi, then I'll stop this one.
Swerte na ito na nagbibigay ng 500 kapag nag-sign up. Hindi mo kailangang magdeposito ng anuman. Pagrehistro lamang. Walang kinakailangang dito. Pagkatapos ng pagpaparehistro, makakakuha ka agad ng 600 sa iyong account.
So I'll close this advertisement and now stop the service. Now let us start it again, and you can see
Shopee Super Deals Day. Lots of products at low prices and free shipping.
okay, it's two. I'll close this Shopee one.
Shop
Where is it?
Super Deals Day. Lots of products at low prices and free shipping. Hurry up and buy it.
So to annoying with this advertisement.
Shopee Super Deals Day. Lots of products at low prices and free shipping. Hurry up and buy it.
There are many advertisement here, but we can just be patient for that. So again, later now I have selected my root directory, which is my folder I created ago. Then now I stop the services, status is stop. Now I start. Okay, too many. how how can I, we have, what is the problem with using this web server, because there are too many advertisements. You need to wait until this loading start finish. It's so annoying.
Block Blast Puzzle Games. Play now.
It's too many. It's too many. So Apache started. As you can see right now, if you are not connected to the Wi-Fi, the address is 0000. So that means there are many different scenarios. If you are connected to different Wi-Fi working with the this mobile app, it gives you different IP addresses. So because the IP address of the mobile, it depends on what network it is connected. So I advise, um, if you're working with your activity on phone, you must be not be connected to any Wi-Fi, so that this address will always be you are getting, which is the HTTP colon 000 dot colon 8080. So this is must be your address. Okay, if you don't have getting this, that means you have connected to a Wi-Fi. So make sure that you are not connected to a Wi-Fi. So again, when I tap it here, it also go to the directory where we selected a while ago. So that means we can now um, continue here, creating mobilecon.php. So because later on we will be going to get the address of the database connection. So I'll click OK. So we have now mobile 1.php. So let me go back to the browser which have that one and refresh, and you can see, okay, nothing happens. Let us go back here again and click this one, address. Okay, as you can see now, you have now mobilecon1.php. So you have now the file which you created, and I know that this is a blank one, okay, because the size is 0. So again, we can now already know how we can use a web server to run and to locate our activities. So next video will be how we can connect also the database. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.